Okay, what is going on up here? It's raining. Working on the deck, on the star deck. And I'm digging it up here. Wow, and I've got my cool bit of me, so I can't be bothered. Really? Cool, huh? Raining in the desert. There's my temporary screen. It's got holes in it. The Mexicanos are leaving. Woo! Woo! Mexicans are working hard. Look at the birds. You've never seen more birds in your life. So this is my new hangout. Projector is going and everything, but you can't see it because it's an old projector and it's everybody's bugging out. Not used to the rain.